there, mathematicians. Welcome back. You made it to level 2 of double flap dot cards. So we're going to really focus on those turnaround facts today. They're also called related facts, but I really love the term turnaround facts because what is this? It's a whole penguin, right? There's Penny the penguin. And so we're going to turn Penny on her side. She can handle it. And so you think that we have got, Penny has a head and feet side, right? Head side and foot side. And so if you have like the head plus the foot plus the feet make all of Penny, right? And if you turn her around, now you've got the feet plus the head make all of Penny. But she's still just one whole penguin. She's just split into two parts, head side and foot side. That's the same way it works with numbers. So let's explore that a little bit more. Last week with my example, I had the total number of 6, right? Do you remember that? And then I put it like this, I flipped it over, and I wrote it here, just like you'll see in Seesaw also, instead of on the back, because, you know, you can't really turn it around on Seesaw. And so we've got the total of 6, and one part is 4, and one part is 2, right? And so then we had 4 plus 2 equals 6 when it was like this. And then when we turned it around, we had 2 plus 4 equals 6. Well, let's explore it with a brand new one. I think I actually may have made it with you. All right, now my double flap dot card has 8. So let's see. What do you think it's going to be? Now, you can do it with doubles, but as we're starting to learn about fact families, we're not going to use doubles for now. So it's not going to be the 4 plus 4. Do you have an idea? I think it's 7 plus 1, 8 plus 0. Let's see. All right. If you have a whiteboard at home, pause the video and go grab your whiteboard so that you can join me and practice along with me, okay? All right, well, welcome back. So now I'm going to show you what I did. Mine is these parts. So go ahead and write your total. Remember what it is? 8. And then what one part is, what do you see? Yep, 5. Here we go. And the other part, what's the other part? Yep, 3. Okay, now you can write that down on your whiteboard if you want, but here's what I really want you to write down. I want you to see if you know how to put both of the equations up here too. Go ahead and pause the video and see if you can do it on your own. Just check and see. If you can't, that's okay. You can follow along with me. All right, let's put those parts together. Here we go. I'm going to actually move it over so I can write underneath. Ready? 5 plus 3 equals, what was the total? Yeah, 8. Write that equation down on your whiteboard. Then turn it around. Write down the turnaround fact, right? So now it's going to be 3 plus 5 equals 8. Just like that penguin has one part and another part that makes the whole, you can turn it around. The same thing works with a double flap dot card. But wait, there's more. You can even do this with dominoes. So isn't this kind of like a double flap dot card, right? Like as if there were the flaps over it? Well, we do have to figure out the total though. So let's just actually start with figuring out the parts. On this side, let's figure that out first. 3 and 3, you might already know it because you're really good at dominoes. Yep, this first part is 6. So let's write that down. We got 6. Oh, by the way, before you erase your whiteboard, you might want to pause the video and take a quick photo of your whiteboard so you can put it into Seesaw and show what you did. Okay, let's continue on. So that was one part, right? The first part was 6. And the other side, hey, look, it's just 6 and one more. Do you know what this side is? Yeah, there it is. 7. So let's write that down. I've got 6 as one part and 7 as the other part. And now I get to figure out the whole or the total. Well, you might already know that fact, or you might know the double of 6 plus 6 and you can add 1. You could do that. Or you could do the counting on strategy. So let's put 7 in our heads, the bigger number, right? 7, we're going to count on 6 more. Ready? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, 6 plus 7 is 13. So that's our part, and our total, or whole. Okay, now that we have that, go ahead and pause the video and see if you can figure out the 2 turnaround facts. Go. All right, so for this ending part, we're going to put those 2 parts together and then make sure that they equal the total. And this time I'm going to use my different colors. If you don't have different colors, that's fine. So 1 part 6 plus the other part, what's that part? 7 equals the total or the whole. And what's that? Yeah, ready? 13. Now for the turnaround fact, you just switch them. I know you can do this. You may have already done it, right? 7 plus 6, and you know the end of it. Ready? Equals 13. All right. So now go ahead and take a photo of your whiteboard when you finish, and then see if you can figure out another turnaround fact. You can do it on your whiteboard and take a photo, or you can do it in Seesaw. And there's a couple more things for you to explore in Seesaw as well. We cannot wait to see what you come up with for your turnaround facts. Good job, you're finishing level 2 of double flap dot cards. Woohoo!